Hey everyone, it's no secret one of the best ways to help people get to know you, short of a face-to-face interaction, is through video. And lucky for us, social media makes it easier than ever to connect, whether it's friends, family, clients, or even people who've never met you but need to see what you're all about. So today, I want to talk about 10 easy video ideas that you can start implementing immediately to reach your sphere of influence and beyond. And here's the kicker. I challenge you to send 100 videos to your friends, family, and clients in the next 30 days. Yep, that's right, 100 videos. And don't stop there. Post a few on social media to show the world the real YOU. So you ready to dive in? Number 1. Quick property tours. We're in real estate, right? A quick property tour is a no-brainer. Walk your audience through a listing, whether it's available or recently sold, and highlight the features. Keep it short and sweet, maybe around a minute. It shows you know your market, and clients love a behind-the-scenes peek. Number 2, client testimonial videos. Ask a recent client to share their experience of working with you and capture it on video. Testimonials build trust and social proof, which can be super powerful. You can do this in person or ask them to record a quick 30-second clip on their phone and send it to you. Number 3, neighborhood spotlights. Pick a neighborhood you serve and do a quick 2-minute overview. Showcase local amenities, schools, parks, and restaurants. You're not just selling homes, you're selling a lifestyle, and this video will position you as a community expert. Or consider doing a 30-second video review of your favorite places and establishments. Number 4, real estate tips and myths. How about busting some common real estate myths? Or sharing tips for first-time homebuyers? These types of videos can be educational, easy to share, and establish you as the go-to person for real estate advice. Number 5, a day in the life. People love behind-the-scenes content, so show a day in the life of a real estate professional. From meetings to showings to negotiations to inspections, give people a sneak peek into your workday. It adds a personal touch and shows how dedicated you are to your clients. Number 6, personal milestones and accomplishments. Did you hit a new career milestone? Celebrate a special event? Share it. Videos like these humanize you and give people a reason to connect with you on a deeper level. It could be a simple 60-second video from your phone. Number 7, market updates. People always want to know, how's the market? Create a monthly or even weekly market update video. Give a quick breakdown of housing stats, trends, and what they mean for buyers and sellers in your area, and keep it concise and informative. RPR is an excellent tool. Just click on the research and residential market trends, pick a community, and allow the tool to create a video script for you in seconds. Number 8, client appreciation shoutouts. If you're sending a thank you note, why not send a thank you video? A quick 30-second video shout out to a client who just closed, or even a potential client you recently met, can leave a lasting impression. Number 9, introduce your team. If you work with a team, create short videos introducing each member. Let them talk about their role and what they love about working in real estate. This creates a personal connection and builds trust with a broader audience. Number 10, fun personal content. Don't make it all business. Share a video of your favorite hobby, your family, or your pet. This kind of content shows your personality and can make you more relatable. Remember, people do business with those they know, like, and trust. So there you have it, 10 video ideas that you can start today to connect with your clients, friends, and even a wider social media audience. You don't have to be perfect on camera, just be you. Authenticity is what people crave. Now take the challenge, 100 videos in 30 days. Send them to your sphere, post a few online, and watch how people start engaging with you like never before. So you up for it? I know you've got this. So let's get started, and don't forget to tag me in some of your posts, because I can't wait to see you in action. See you in the next video. Create the experience your clients will love to talk about.